Today we are talking about how when students return to campus, they can interact with the offices that are located in Baxley Hall to conduct business and meet with different staff members. The offices here in Baxley Hall are the Office of Admissions and Merit Awards, Financial Aid and Scholarships, the Registrar, and the Office of Student Accounts. We first started with plexiglass in all of the common areas, so facilities was great in putting up all the various plexiglass areas. And then they've come in and done the signage, they've done a capacity in all of our lobbies, staying 6 feet apart with stickers and different signs throughout the building. So when we return, students can have safe interactions with everybody here that works with them through the different offices. We've moved many of our processes online. We're trying to do virtual appointments, virtual meeting with students, and collect all that information. And then the last kind of piece of that puzzle is going to have a drop box out on the front porch of the building where students can drop off materials for various offices. The purpose is to still be able to help students, get them what they need, but to limit the number of folks in the building to meet social distancing, health guidelines. The students still need financial aid. They still need to talk with someone about paying a bill, dropping a class, being admitted to the university. So we need to be able to continue to do all those things in a safe manner and still get students back to campus as well.